Hey guys, hope you had a great weekend. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the dollar daily chart here via the UUP ETF that tracks the dollar. So, first and foremost, we are in a major uptrend here, and there's no reason to short the dollar just yet. Okay, just yet. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to look for a potential short or a potential bounce zone, and we're going to go over those right now. So we've got a nice trend line break over this gap up right here, very much so in an uptrend. You can clearly see just trending higher and higher. Okay, what you want to look for, and now we have a gap down, but look at where we gap down to, just to this level here that we gapped up to right here. So right now, to me, there's no reason to get bearish on the dollar. That doesn't mean that it can't head lower, but it just means that we haven't seen anything yet to really warrant a down move. The other thing that puts kind of the onus or favors the bulls is, let me just kind of zoom in a little bit, is this day right here. Is just 2 days ago. This day right here, we had a gap up and a close over the previous day's high. And we did that with one of the biggest volume days we've seen all year. Okay, this day right here. All right, we also had a green day prior to that that also had a lot of volume. Okay, you typically see a lot of volume at tops or bottoms. I don't think this looks like a top just yet. If this had a lot of volume, these red days, which it had more than average, but nothing crazy, not like this, and not like these 2 days right here. Okay, just a little bit above average, not a big deal. Okay, but where we did have the big volume was on these 2 green days. Okay, don't let that red candle fool you. It just means that we closed below the open, but we still closed above the previous day's high and above the previous day's close. So really it's a green candle. It's just how they color it here on the chart. So again, not seeing really any sign to short just yet. Okay, now I want to go over kind of the longer term view. You've seen we're holding this level right here. Okay, we're holding that level. Where you want to kind of get bearish is if, I'll just show you this, is if about this level gets broken. Okay, right around, if you're looking at the UUP chart, if we close below about 26.25, to me that would be a bearish signal and would send this commodity lower. Okay, that's what you want to look for. Now I want to kind of discuss the longer term view here, and you can see, I'm just going to go out even longer than that. You can see that over the last 20 years, or about 12 years, we have not broken over this level here where we kind of peaked at a couple weeks ago on the dollar chart. You can see that we came up here, right there rejected, right here rejected. This is at the end of 2017. And then you can see right here, we came up to that level, and then we got rejected. That doesn't mean that we can't head over it. It just means that we haven't done it yet. Okay? And right now, we're seeing, like I showed you on the shorter term chart, that we can get a bounce. Okay? We can definitely get a bounce. But just keep this level in mind, and keep in mind that we haven't broken over that level in about 12 years. Okay, again, it doesn't mean we can't break over it, just means it hasn't done it yet. And you better believe that if it breaks over this level, then we're going to see an even bigger move on the dollar. But again, it hasn't done that yet. Okay, so again, just to kind of zoom in again, we're still holding this level. I don't really see any reason to get super bearish or even bearish at all. And again, this was that candle up here that came up and hit that level that I mentioned on that longer term chart just a few seconds ago. So that's what you're looking at right there. So what you want to look at for a potential move higher is a break over these highs. Okay, a break over last week's highs right there. If we break out of those highs, then I think you can definitely look for a new move higher. A break below this level here, to me, I still wouldn't really get bearish. In fact, I'd probably buy the dip at this point. But if it breaks this level, like I talked about earlier, about 26.25 on the UUP chart, if it closes below that level, that is a short signal. Okay, so you got a lot of levels to work with. If you have any questions about any of these levels or anything I discussed in this video, please feel free to reach out to me. Or if you just want to talk shop, I love doing that as well. I'm available on the YouTube channel, on my blog, on the website. You can reach out to me on the contact form or on the live chat. I answer to that as well. So what you're looking at right now is the real-time portfolio tracker that we use to track all of our closed trades that we alert to members via text message at thetradinganalyst.com. So all of these entries and these exits have both been alerted to our members in real time via text message. Okay, and these alerts are profitable. You can see that the average win here is almost 3 times as big as the average loss. Yes, we have losses. That is a totally normal part of trading. Over the last 12 months, the portfolio tracker that tracks all of our trades here, the wins, the losses, the break-even trades, everything gets put on this portfolio tracker. $305,000 in total profits. That's not the account value, including the gains. That is only the profits. So $305,000 in profits. That's money in your pocket if you follow these alerts. So if you're struggling in the market, struggling with your consistency, or struggling to make any profit at all, or if you're just in a rut right now and you want help getting out of that rut with some profitable trade alerts, and you want some help doing that, sign up, join. I'll start sending you out these alerts as soon as you join. Input your cell phone number, and I'll start sending you these alerts right away. So if you're looking to make consistent money in the market using options trades, you got to sign up and join. If you have any questions about the dollar chart or anything about the membership, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to chat with you. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you inside of the membership.